Last week you did not come?
We came.
Okay.
احنا اصلا متاخرين فاضي مرة.
Now, have we done
the breathing last time?
that's only breathing?
That's it.
Yeah, experiment also.
Yes.
Inspection.
3.1, right?
3.4.
Breath holding we have done. We have done 2 experiments of respiration. 2 or no? 2. Yes. Breath holding and examination of the respiratory system.
Examination? This is the last paper.
But only this? Only this? Not the breath holding? Breath holding? And hold your breath? Yes,
This one and this one.
Yes. Huh? No? See? See? Clever? Great point, yes?
ما سويت هذا؟
So no problem.
حليته ولا؟ هو طلب حاجة؟ في أفلام علمية. باقي سيدي تعريف. اليوم جاي محل قنصة.
احسن قصة الشيخ مويد
كيف اليوم نسوي
صورت الماضي صح؟
ها؟
صورت
الجديد؟ الماضي اي شوف هي هذه الباقية شو بقول لك انا ثاني برضه صوروه اليوم نسوي نقدم البحث ده في السيرة والاثنين هي يوم الاثنين اليوم ذكرت
بكرة في بكرة من الترم دكتور
ان شاء الله.
هو يبغى صفة معينة واحدة بس ولا
صفة واحدة واتكلم عنها؟
شفنا قبل الهجرة.
لا قبل وبعد بس في ممكن يمكن تتكلم بعد الهجرة عن نخش في مكة.
Today we will try to learn the lung volumes and capacities. Do you know what are the lung volumes and what are the capacities? Do you know?
Yes.
Okay.
قلنا
This we will discuss today. After that, we will discuss the forced vital capacity. You know forced vital capacity? You know vital capacity?
Yes.
Huh? The vital capacity. You know vital capacity or no? No. We will discuss.
this one.
So vital capacity, when we perform vital capacity with power, we call it forced vital capacity. Because this forced vital capacity is important in patients with remote. Okay? Because in that case, this forced vital capacity decreases. Okay? Now,
أجهزة غسل دماغ. يا أخي المشكلة الواتساب حقي قفل ولا عندي ليش؟ لا برسل بس عارف طمنت الجوال صرت أجي أحط الرقم ما ينفع.
ما يسوي لك رسالة؟
ولا حاجة. سيبك الرسالة جات أمي قالت لي خذ أمي هذه كذابين تجيك منها. هذه كانت أيام الماسنجر. كل شركة ترسل لك تقول لي صاحبك شركة ترسل لكل شخص بعيد. افتكر هذا ايام الثانويه حقت الشيشه.
tell me what are the different lung volumes we have? What are the different lung volumes? Lung volume. Do you have idea about the lung volume or no? Tidal volume. Number one is the tidal volume. Can you tell me what is the tidal volume? The amount of the air that we take in and take out normally. Yani, normal breathing. It's called as the tidal volume. You can see here. This is the tidal volume. This one. Okay? Yani, what we are taking in, inspiration, expiration, inspiration, expiration. Normal. It's called as the tidal volume. Okay? What is the second volume? Second is called as inspiratory reserve volume. What is this called? Inspiratory reserve. Reserve yani? You know the reserve? Not the maximum. Reserve means it is in store. Yani we can use it. Okay? Yani this we can use. We have the power, but we don't use it because normally we don't need it. Tidal volume. Tidal volume. Tidal volume. Now, if I take a deep inspiration, yani I use all of my power. Yani I take all of the inspiration. Okay? Deep inspiration till the end. This is called as inspiratory reserve volume. Reserve we don't use. You have the reserve in your car? Reserve? Okay? Reserve we don't use. Okay? This is called as inspiratory reserve volume. If you see here, this volume from here to here, from here to here, yani after tidal volume. This is called as inspiratory reserve volume. And the volume that we exhale after normal expiration is called as expiratory reserve volume. This is normal. If I exhale all, I remove all, the maximum I can remove is called as the expiratory reserve volume. So, 3 volumes. Tidal volume, you understand? Yes. Normal. No. Okay? Hydrogen come? 5 ملي. 5 ملي. 5 ملي. 5 ملي. 500 ملي. نص لتر. نص لتر. Okay? Inspiratory reserve volume 3 لتر. تقريبا. Can be
3 what?
3.1 liter or 3.2 liter. 3 liter.
Liter.
Liter. 3000 milli. Inspiratory reserve volume. Expiratory reserve volume? Huh? No. 1200. Around. It can be slightly mukhtalif. Okay? Nearly, takriban 1200. 1400.
1.2 liter.
Okay, 1.2 liter or 1.4 liter. Takriban. So, I have told you 3 volumes. Tidal volume, inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume. The 4th volume, which is the volume we cannot measure by doing the test, by doing the spirometry. We can measure by spirometry, we can measure only tidal, inspiratory reserve, expiratory reserve, not the 4th one. This is the volume of air that we can never remove. Because it is in our lung all the time. This is called as residual volume. Residual yani bagi. The volume bagi. Residual volume. Takriban 1200. 1.2 liter. Takriban. 1.2 liter, 1.3 liter like this. Okay? So, we have 4 volumes. Tidal volume. Tidal volume. Inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume, residual volume. Residual volume we cannot remove. Now, you understand the volumes? Yes. So how many volumes we have? 4. What are the names?
Tidal volume.
Residual.
Inspiratory reserve, expiratory reserve, and last residual volume. Okay? Do you know what are they?
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Now, capacities. How will you define capacities?
Two volume or more.
Two or more volumes, if you combine together, we get capacity. So how many capacities we have? Number one capacity. Number one capacity. No. Total lung capacity. Total lung capacity. Total yani total. Kamil. Yani if you combine all volumes together, then tidal volume, jama, inspirator reserve volume, jama, expirator reserve volume, jama. Khalas, you get yani from here to here, all volumes. If you combine together, you get total lung capacity. Yani you combine all of them together. Understand this or no?
Yes.
Now, second capacity is called as inspiratory capacity. Inspiratory capacity. Inspiratory capacity. Yani tidal volume plus the inspiratory reserve volume. This one. From here to here. Yani it includes tidal volume and inspiratory reserve volume. When you combine together, inspiratory capacity. Now two capacities. Total lung capacity, inspiratory capacity. You understand inspiratory capacity? No. Inspiratory. Inspiratory yani tidal volume plus inspiratory reserve volume. Jama. Majmua. So two volume, two capacities. Total lung capacity, inspiratory capacity.
Doctor, again, please.
Okay. First is the total lung capacity. All volume you combine together.
Yes.
Total. Inspiratory capacity. IC. Inspiratory capacity. Yani during inspiration, it contains tidal volume, normal, plus the inspiratory reserve volume. To combine together, the whole is called as inspiratory capacity. Okay? Third capacity is called as vital capacity. Vital.
Okay.
Vital capacity is the capacity that we use during normal respiration and deep respiration. Okay? Vital means zarur, which is important for your life. What is important for your life? Is this. Normally what you use is the tidal volume, inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume. If you combine three, only these three, not the residual volume, because residual volume you are not using. Residual volume is inside your lung. Okay? So, this capacity is called as vital capacity. Yani, it contains the tidal volume, inspiratory reserve volume and expiratory reserve volume, not the residual volume. Understand? This is called as vital capacity. Now the last capacity is functional residual capacity. Yani it is functional.
The normal.
No, functional residual. Yani if you are respiring normally, not deep, what is in your lung body? The expiratory reserve volume and the residual volume. So if you combine these two together, you get the functional residual capacity. So there are four capacities: total lung capacity, vital capacity, inspiratory capacity, and functional residual capacity. Functional residual, yani residual volume plus the expiratory reserve volume. Okay? Huh? So today we are going to measure all of these together. Tell me, what is the vital capacity? Vital capacity.
Normal respiration.
It contains what volume? Tidal, inspiratory. Yes. So when we perform this test is called as this wave is called as spirogram, and this procedure is called as spirometry. Spirometry. Okay? So I can give you this graph in the exam. I can ask you to label this. So you should know what is the volume, how many capacity. I can give you this. Remember. Now, the vital capacity that you measure in this graph, yani spirometry, is called as vital capacity, or we can call it slow vital capacity. Yani we do slowly. Okay? So first we will do what? First we will calculate the volumes and capacities. We will calculate vital capacity, but this vital capacity will be called as slow vital capacity. Slow. Normal, yeah. High. Okay? After this experiment, when we will do this, after this experiment, we will do a second experiment which is called as forced vital capacity. In that case, we will take deep inspiration and forcefully we will do expiration. Okay? So, this is called as FVC, forced vital capacity. And this vital capacity is very important in patients with asthma, because this decreases in the patients of asthma. You understand this? So one by one, come here. One student come here so that I can do the experiment.
روح اللي على الطرف خلاص هي عبد العزيز
نص التجارب
Take a glass. This solution is alcohol solution, it's not water, it's alcohol solution. Just to make it sterile. Okay?
To make it what?
Sterile, yani clean. Okay?
Sterilize or sterilize?
يعني عندك الصنف هذا الحرف وذا الجر
الضحية فيكتور الحين الكحول يثبت
Now, first of all, we will try to calculate his lung volumes and capacities. So, in this case, I will tell him to respire normally, not fast. Not fast, normal. Okay? And also when you will take deep inspiration, normal deep. Not like this.
Slow.
Sure. And then when I tell you to deep expiration, sure. Okay? Not with fast. Okay? And what you will do, first of all, when I tell you start, okay, you will do normal inspiration, expiration. Normally, not fast. Okay? Then I tell you deep inspiration, you take deep inspiration and then deep expiration and then again normal. Till I tell you stop. So you will stop. You understand this? Huh? Normally you will do normal, slow, not fast. That's normal. Just like you are expiring now. Then you will take deep expiration. Okay? But for deep inspiration, lazim you tidal, normal inspiration, tidal expiration, then you do deep inspiration. You understand? Not like in between. Normal you are doing tidal inspiration, tidal expiration, then you do. Not like tidal, then you go. You understand that? Okay. First of all, we will put this is the transducer that takes the volumes and capacities, that takes the electrical signals to the machine, and this will convert to the software. Okay? And this software will convert these electrical signals into volumes and capacities.
You connect it to the computer?
You already connected.
Oh. Not individual machine. Not only machine, separate machine.
This machine is connected with this. This machine is showing the result of this. Okay? This, listen, if you are not interested, you can go out. Listen. Listen, you, last. Go out. Outside. I want you out. Just now. No, I will not.
لا لا والله يا خلاص اطلع
And one by one I will keep on telling you to go out. Okay? Because this is the first time I am doing this experiment. I have introduced this. This was not for you. But I think as a student you should learn this.
Yes.
That is why I have introduced this. Otherwise nobody is pressurizing me. If I don't tell you this, khalas, nobody will ask me. But this is a manner to me. If I know something, you should know this also. If you are interested, khalas, okay. If you don't interested, khalas, go out. This is the thing. Simple thing. So I will not tolerate anything. The thing is, this is a serious effort. Serious. So if you want to be serious, if you can be serious, khalas, you stay. If you don't want to be serious, khalas, go out, come for the attendance. I will take your attendance, no problem. You will not be absent. I will give you attendance. If you are here for the attendance purpose, khalas, go out, come after 1 hour, I will give you the attendance sheet, no problem. If you are here for learning, then we should concentrate. Concentration means, keep quiet and serious. Okay? Usually I give you time to relax. No problem. I can discuss with you. Okay? But the time we are doing this, is the time for this. You understand this?
Yes.
This is a very serious thing. This machine is called as Power Lab. This machine can be used for different examination, different experiments. But we are doing this for this, and we are testing the respiratory part. So we call this spirometry. We are doing spirometry. It can be used for cardiovascular, all other. Okay? Yani this is a machine, common machine. Can be used for all. Here we are using only for respiration. This is the respiration, you call it transducer. He will put this, transducer means it will transfer signals from here to the machine and machine to the computer. Okay? This part, which is clean because this was alcohol. Okay? Clean. So this he will put in his mouth inside. Okay? And then he will keep this straight like this. Okay? And just do normal, whatever I am telling you, do it. Khalas? But before starting, we will put this like this on the table, any table. Okay? And first of all, we have to make it standard. Okay? This is we call it. Can you see? Yeah. Okay. We call this zeroing. Zeroing. Zero yani? We make it separate. We do a standard. Okay? Then we start. You understand?
Yeah.
Yani we should know the constant, then we can start. Okay, now. So first of all, what we will do, we will put it untouched. We will not touch it. And this is the pod. This pod is called a zero pod. What this zero pod is doing is, this zero pod is zeroing the machine. Zeroing the machine yani, now the zero is set. Okay? Renewal. Yeah, new. Now we can start the procedure. Okay?
Yes.
What you will do, put this in your mouth. Okay? And you have to keep it straight like this. Okay? It's already clean, no problem. Yes. Hold this. Okay? This is the nose clip. Okay? We'll put. Okay, now. Okay. Now you will close your eyes when I will say. When I will say start, you will start respiring through this mouth, yani not the nose. Now we will start through mouth. I will record when I will say deep inspiration through deep. Again, normal, ID, till I tell you stop. You will stop. Understand this? Okay. And first you do with closed eyes, then one of your friend will do, then you will see the screen answers. Okay? First you just perform the experiment. Don't worry about the, okay? When your friend will do, then you will see this one. Okay? Color. Yeah. Now, start. Normal. No. Not fast. Can you see the dilemma in here?
Yes.
Now when I tell you deep inspiration, you will deep, okay? Now deep. Full out, full out, full out, full out, full out, and then again normal. خلاص stop. Okay. Now remove this. Rubber only rubber. No, only rubber. Like this. Put this in the water, in the solution, upside down. Yes. Okay? And take it out and put this. This is a new one. Okay? Alas, you put here. Then we will discuss it. You understood the procedure? Okay? Oh, no. The other person will attach. Now. This was your graph. Okay? What is this graph? Now we will study this. Okay? This was your graph. Okay? Now these readings, these are from the previous graph. Okay? So we will take your reading and we will put replace.
Yes.
Okay? First of all, we have to calculate the breath rate. Yani how many times you took respiratory rate. Okay? How we can do respiratory rate? If we complete this experiment for 1 minute, khalas you count how many times. This is the breath rate. But here it is not 1 minute, it is less than 1 minute. So what we will do? We will count for 30 seconds, multiply by 2. Okay? Masalan, count from here. 1, 2, only the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay? Yani 7 multiplied by 2, 14. 14 is okay? Yani you are respiring at a rate of 14 times per minute. Yani in 1 minute your respiratory rate was 14 abatash with the key. This is normal.
No.
Okay? Huh?
No.
So up to 14, up to 20 it is normal. No problem. Okay, now he will do the normal volumes and capacities. We will start from tidal volume. How to calculate tidal volume? See this black M?
Yes.
M means marker. We will use this marker for the calculation of lung volumes and capacities. Okay? As you have told me yourself that this part is the tidal volume. True or no?
Yes.
Okay? So what we will do? We'll move this cursor, not the cursor, the marker from here and put it deepest part. Okay? And this is our cursor. We'll put at the upper end. Okay? And this is the liter. And his tidal volume was 1.27 liter. Okay? You have told me nus liter, but it is not nus liter, it can change. Okay? His reading is 1.2 liter. Okay? So what I will do, I will take this reading from here. Okay? And I will put it tidal volume. Okay? Tidal volume done. Now I will do inspiratory reserve volume. What I will do, I will move the cursor, the marker from here to the last here. Okay?
Yes.
More down, slightly more down. Okay? And with the hand of the cursor, I will put here because this is a deepest inspiration. Okay? I will put here. This is the 2.9 liter was his inspiratory capacity, which is normal. It is around 3 liter. Okay? So I will take this reading from here and I will put it. No. Volumes. You will calculate only the volume and capacity plus combination. So this capacity is automatically he is doing here. When you are doing volume, he is doing capacity. He is calculating. Okay, so in the last we will see. Yes.
The first marker. Why did you put it there? Why?
Because we are calculating the inspiratory reserve volume.
Yes.
Okay, for the calculation of inspirated reserve volume, we will put it in the expression part, and from here deep aspiration, whole. This is included. This is called as inspiratory capacity. Inspirated reserve volume. Okay.
Once we take ends of tidal volume.
We can do this, but normally in the spirometry, it's very difficult to separate the tidal volume from inspirated reserve. Okay? Yes. Normally it is difficult. Now, the expirated reserve volume. For expirated reserve volume, we will keep the marker here, same place, but here we will do here. The expiration. Expirated.
Vital.
Yeah. Yeah. At the level of the vital, and then we will put the cursor in the deepest expiration, then in maximum expiration. Okay? This was a reading 0.8 liter, which is slightly less, I think. Okay? I will take it here and I will put it expirated reserve volume. Yes, sir.
If we combine the tidal, we get the vital capacity.
We are not calculating capacities. In this graph, we are calculating only volume.
And the expiration, take one this, and the expiration, the two.
No. This, the inspiratory phase, we are not recording. We are recording only the down part. We can put this. We can put this same here. No problem. Same. But, just to make it simple, we have put it. Okay, now. What we have calculated is the tidal volume. His tidal volume is 1.28 liters. Okay?
And the
Inspirated reserve volume 2.93 liter, 0.81 liter, and now the residual volume. You know that residual volume we cannot measure directly because in the spirometry residual volume cannot be measured. Okay? We can calculate. Okay? How we can calculate? This is the formula. Dani is a male. What is your height?
طولك قد ايش؟
Height. Tall.
I think 176.
Okay?
76.
20?
20.
Okay. This is his residual volume. This residual volume is not his. It is predicted. Okay? Yani we cannot calculate his residual volume because his residual volume difficult to measure. So this is just a calculation for his age. Okay?
What's the formula?
This is the normal. This software is following a calculation. Okay? Normal calculation mechanism. Okay? And by this mechanism, this software is calculating the residual volume. This is not actual. This is predicted. Expected. Yeah, for this. But if you want to calculate his residual volume, there is a difficult method. Helium. Helium aspiration is a difficult method. Okay? So this is the thing.
This is for the volume.
Tidal volume, inspirated reserve volume, expirated reserve volume, and residual volume. Now you see all of the capacities already calculated. Because capacities are just combinations of the volumes. You understand this?
Yes.
Huh? Understand the procedure or no?
Yes.
Did you understand the tidal volume?
Yes.
Inspirated reserve volume?
Yes.
Expirated reserve volume?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
And capacities, I have told you, there are 4 capacities, here 5. Expiratory capacity was no need. For you, remember 4 capacities: total lung capacity, inspiratory capacity, vital capacity, and functional residual capacity. Understand this? Now, yes sir. This combined together. Masalan, inspiratory capacity is a combination of tidal volume and inspiratory reserve volume. And 300, 3,500.
No, arrange.
No range. Depends on the age, depends on the sex, height, length. Okay. So now You can see the vital capacity here. Can you see the vital capacity? This one, vital capacity. This is the vital capacity. 5 liter. Okay? And total lung capacity for him is 6, which is taqriban normal. Okay? Now this vital capacity, what we are seeing here, is called as two names. One name, vital capacity. The other name, slow vital capacity, because he did this slowly. Okay? So we can say this is VC or SVC. It is vital capacity or slow vital capacity. Now I will ask him again, and he will do the forced, just to see he has some bronchoconstriction or not. Do you have room?
No.
Anybody who has asthma? Okay, after that you can come again. Now, listen, what we are doing now, forced expiration. I mean, forced body FVC we are measuring. FVC we are measuring, okay? So what FVC, forced vital capacity. Before it was slow vital capacity, which is a part of spirometry. But this is a special test, forced vital capacity, especially for the patients who have some obstruction. Masalan, okay? What you will do now, first you will take normal respiration. Then when I will tell you, first you will take normal. When I will tell you start, you will do what? And you will do inspiration fast, but expiration full, fast, with power, as long as you can. And then when you finish, then you will do fast, but with power. Will go by inspiration, will go by expiration, but you will not stop. Expire everything outside, takriban 6 seconds. 6 seconds. You will do expiration. Then again normal. And then finish. Okay? But tidal, like before. But inspiration now fast, expiration fast, and as long as possible, at least for 6 seconds. Then you will come back to normal again. Okay? So again, we will start from 0. We will zero in. Zeroing. Okay, standard. Now put it. Put the new one. Take this.
ثاني مرة
شري نروح هناك حقي هذا.
وانا فين في الدنيا حرام عليك.
Now again he will put the transducer in his mouth and he knows how to perform the experiment. Okay? Now
يكون مفتوح مخروق ولا شيء.
okay.
مو منك كحول.
Now first you will take normal, then I will say start, you will do like this.
ايش كذا
سريع مرة سريع مرة مرة مرة. أنا شايف إنه تعيد من ملخبط.
Now take deep. Pull fast. Again.
ايش جميل
كده يا ابوي زي ما ورنا.
المشكلة مقفل فوق
بالفم يعني.
Especially fast and fast. out, full power. Okay, full power in, full power out. At least for 6 seconds. Okay. Okay, now again. Okay. Normal. Now take deep in. Now.
خلاص
خلاص stop. Remove.
ريموف والله عيونك طلعت بارك الله
Put this in the water. Okay, and remove the other one. Okay, now this was
لا تسوق على الحين.
okay. So this was his result. This is called as forced vital capacity, not the vital capacity. Don't play with us. I have to tell you everything every time. Okay? Nothing, not even this, belongs to me. I will not take it home. Everything here is yours. This everything is yours. If you want to take it now, you can take it home. Or if you want to use it gradually and you want your friends to use it also, you should save it. This is what I want to say. Okay? If you destroy it, I cannot tell you anything. If you save, this is good for you. Now, first of all, I will calculate, this is his FVC. So we will calculate 3 things from this FVC. 3 things. First is called as PIF. PIF, yani peak inspiratory flow. Peak inspiratory flow. And PEF, peak expiratory flow. Okay, peak yani. For the maximum in, peak inspiratory, maximum out, peak inspiratory. And then forced vital capacity, I will tell you how to do it. Okay? And the last thing is called as FEV1. You know what is FEV1? F, forced. E, expiratory. V, volume. FEV, forced, expiratory, volume. 1 yani first second. Yani, what is the meaning? The meaning is whenever you are doing expiration, in the first second, you remove 80% of your air. You understand? When you are doing expiration, forceful expiration, whenever you do forceful expiration, 80%, 80% in the first second. This is called as FEV1. Normally, 80%, but in the patient with ROBO, because of the bronchoconstriction, this will decrease. So, what we will do, we will try to look upon the PIF, you know PIF? Peak inspiratory flow, PEF, peak expiratory